Hey y'all, and welcome to Soulsome Foodie. Today I am super excited to share with you how to make this garlic butter king crab. To all of my new viewers, welcome. I am so glad you found this channel. Please subscribe if you like what you see and take a look around at some of my other videos after you enjoy this one. Now let's get into this super delicious and easy recipe. For this garlic butter sauce, you will need ground ginger, ginger paste, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, Old Bay seasoning, lemon pepper seasoning, Cajun seasoning, plenty of fresh minced garlic, some lemon, and some sugar. Here is the sugar substitute that I like to use. For herbs, you will be using some parsley flakes as well as oregano, and because I like spice, I'm going to be using some crushed red pepper. Let's start pulling this sauce together. So this is about 1 cup of softened butter. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh minced garlic, about 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder. I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon or so of this ginger paste that I really enjoy. It's so good. Then I'm going to go in with 1 teaspoon of this granulated onion, 1 teaspoon of the roasted garlic, about 1/2 teaspoon of the smoked paprika, 1/2 tablespoon of this Old Bay seasoning, 1/2 tablespoon of the lemon pepper seasoning, 1/2 tablespoon of this Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and about 1 tablespoon of these parsley flakes, and 1/2 tablespoon of oregano. And again, I love spice, so I'm adding some crushed red pepper. You can totally leave this out or add as much or as little as you like. Now it's time to melt down this sauce. You can do that in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds or on top of the stove. Here's how it looks after it has been all melted down. You can see all those yummy flavors have come together well. Lots of garlic, that ginger paste. This sauce is so yummy. At this point, you want to go ahead and squeeze in the juice of 1/2 of your lemon right into the sauce to bring it all together. Alright, now that I shared the secret sauce we're about to put on this king crab, I want to take 1 second to shout out Chris Theodat Productions. He has produced the beat for this video. His catalog will be linked in the description box below for y'all to check him out. Here's a close-up of the king crab I'll be using today. This is about 3 pounds of king crab. I've washed it and cleaned it up all nice, and now it is ready for this delicious garlic butter sauce. I'm going to give it 1 more stir before spooning this sauce all over the crab. Now I'm just using my spoon to put this sauce over every part of the crab here. You can see that I'm going to use all of the sauce to cover the crab entirely. And then when we bake it, it's going to combine with the juices of the crab and create a really nice sauce that we can use for dipping later. After I spooned on all of the sauce, here is a close-up of how delicious this king crab is looking already. Doesn't that look so good? Now it's ready to be placed in a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. I like to put 1/2 of the lemon in the oven with it. It gets it all extra juicy and delicious. Before the big reveal of this garlic butter king crab, I want to thank y'all for making it to this point in the video and ask you to please smash that red subscribe button below. It helps me to create more and more content just like this. After 20 minutes in a 350-degree oven, this is how the crabs look. They are completely done, nice and hot, seasonings poppin', everything poppin'. Lemon super juicy. I'm going to show you how I add that in just a second. Here I am adding some parsley to the top, and I'm going to squeeze my lemon juice right on as well. Now here is what I was mentioning earlier. The garlic butter sauce and the crab juices and the lemon juice all came together in the bottom of this pan. I'm going to pour this off into a little sauce dish, and you can use this for dipping. Alright y'all, it's a wrap. Here we are with these 20-minute garlic butter king crab legs. Delicious sauce on the side. Everything is right, looking good, and absolutely delicious. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really enjoyed creating this video. As always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.